This phone is ideal as a bank, and kids will enjoy putting money in it because it makes a noise when you put the money in, just like the payphones originally did. I'll put a nickel in. I'll try another nickel. Now we'll try a dime. Because there is a bell inside, the coin hits the bell when it goes down. Here's another dime. And here is a quarter. The quarter is further away from the bell, but depends how it falls and how much money is in there. We'll put another quarter. And that rang. Great way to have someone save money. And unfortunately, we do not have a lock, but we have black tape where you could secure the door shut. Thank you for looking. A great find.